Yes, so make I tell you what happened for Abule. Oh, good afternoon, good evening, guys. How we all doing? When I can't listen to what they happen for Abule. Yes, so guys, just a short one. Yes, so now weekend things now. Today on Friday. Sorry, man, don't give me message through this phone. I beg. I have to use it for 5 or 10 minutes. I just have to be snappy about it of my kids. Kids always, Kids are the first family. She don't understand one of them, so we need to respect them always. Especially when you are doing things, when they are not sleeping, you have to respect and consider them no matter the condition or situation. Everywhere good. Everywhere yakpa. I agree to now they are far now things. Yes, so that's what we see most of the, hit the nail for the head. Yes, so it's just a short one, though I didn't write the topic, but it's a very, very short one, I always come on live sometimes when I see something on social media, or rather when some friends of mine will speak to me, or sometimes when a lot of things will happen, that I will see the things that are going on in my area, especially in my area, in my city, or what I heard with friends, though the music is loud, sorry guys, but let me just break it down a little bit. Like I said, it's going to be a very short video before my kids will come and make noise inside, So what am I saying is this: I really love to go on live if really I want to analyze some issue, issues like the one I see, or the one I've heard, or the one I've noticed in social media. Of course, I have my own content, which you guys should know what I'm up to. I do hook up most of the time, especially because some reasons I don't do my hook up outside any longer, really. But of course, when the time comes, I will still do it on live. But at the moment, that is why I'm not really, hammering at it, or I'm not really popular about it, because I'm doing it indoors, guys. So don't get me wrong, or don't get it twisted. I'm still doing it, but I'm doing it indoors. I'm supposed to be doing it anyway, on social media. But because some reasons, at the moment, I'm just doing it indoors, You understand? So I will still be doing it on live, but at the moment, they always call me, send me messages. Sometimes I can't even receive all the message. My WhatsApp is filled up. My messenger, the calls. Sure, sometimes it will be like my phone won't bust for message, now. I dey receive some calls, though, because of my kids, I know they get time. I dey do some inside, out of the screen, out of live video, So let me quickly jump into what I want to say before I will forget. So after that one, if I get anything to talk, I think I'll add them. May I not forget what I want to talk. I stumble across something in social media. God, not coming for this call now, for this phone, I beg. They do live. I will call you, I beg. Are you tired? Why you do something and that kind of thing, they call you with the phone or send you message through that phone. They get your other number, but that your phone, they want to distract you. But more than not, they do like that now, I beg. Well, before the call will come back again, because now my auntie way they UK, so although she have my number, the other one, but I don't know why sometimes the other number, she will say through that side, the card she's using or the whatever, because she's not using WhatsApp to come, she's calling me directly. She will say it's not going. I don't know why. I don't just know the reason. Maybe the area where she did, because me, I get friends for UK too. The thing they go, me, I don't know. Well, everywhere good. So me, I quickly just jump into it I want to before I go forget. I just come across something in social media. I stumble across something, and there was a question. That question, I really want to just share it on this my live video in this my page. Guys, please, wanna help me share and beg. I'm not gonna lose anything enough when I share this thing. I beg, I use God beg. I'm gonna share that for me. Share the video and like this video, please. And always press the notification button so that anytime when I'm when I'm live, you guys will just see it, you know. So please, Mona, just help me share, and like. Please, I beg you, with the name of God Almighty, with everything when I believe on, with everything when I like. Now I say beg, Mona, help me to share and beg. You know me. You're not going to remove anything from my body. For now, when I share on our video, me too, Mona send that to me for my WhatsApp or whatever, I will share. They are not they stingy like that. So guys, please don't be stingy about it. Share and like this video. Comment on it below. You don't mean anything. In a free world. You are free. Some people you're they stingy to share. So you're they stingy to even comment. Some people they stingy to like. I don't understand. Me, I they follow many people, but they press like. If I know you like the video, I still comment with I want to comment, but I'm not going to insult them like that, you know. I you talk with I want to talk, I'll come out there. So I'm not going to comment, you not go like, you not go press the notification button. You not go even see share. You not good. You not me. You not fair. I beg. Let's be our brother's keeper. You not me anything. See, me I tell you one secret. If you share, you love her, you like her, you do all those things. Fine. I feel not can just pay you in return. Say, hey, because you share my video, you like my video. I want give you gift. No, I feel not give you because I know I want to talk. I feel not can give you that one of the truth. But then let's see else go. You can see give you something. Bless you. It's like, what is this parable? They talk and they say, hey, if you do good for a person, not expect that person go do good for you in return. No, not be so. It's the truth. Me, I know people that don't see help small. They're not going to see help me back. But how come they see the help for it, the goodness for front? Small. How come they see the goodness? As in, if it be your self, you go just say, okay, office where I go. If you pity me, my mates go there. They're not going to answer them. But me will go there, they will answer me. So all those things are still one of the blessings, not me anything. If you come and say, hey, if you see the office where I go, that office, Ogbete way, I say your way, I can say your way, you coco, they hard. For the go say your way, for the go even answer you. But me, you go there, answer me, you're teaching like a boat, not be a boat. Charm not exist, charm never buff. Me, I pity people they use charm this time around. This is 2021. Una when they use charm, I greet when I raise my nyash for una. In short, I wish I get broke cause I foresee raise that for una. Why using charm? You know they pay. At the end, now fuck up. Listen, get into your thick core. If devil give you cap, he go collect your head joiner. For that reason, charm not they exist or any day. Now that God must do one. You go into prayer God too much. If you see what I passed through some kind of weeks ago. Inside some weeks ago, don't be lie. And I only talk all this out of maybe experience or to encourage you guys. Let me say I just want to talk. I tell you, I say I go talk my life story, but it never reach. I want maybe say you get the point where go reach, I'll talk her. You understand me? I want to share my video, more than they like her, more than they comment. People they follow me before I come because I don't feel you share my life story with one person now. When I reason and I'm gonna check, I'm gonna balance her now. You know? I don't feel share my life story with one person or two person. If I want to share my life story, I'll share it with many people. Make them forget, as they make them for still get some kind of advice, make them for still get some kind of encouragement. You understand me, my people? God will bless you now. You know the guy, the baby, I passed through inside 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, and not be lie. A long story, but I don't feel the share on now, but I go share on a very good day. You understand me? I don't even tell God, say, God, if they really exist, make I just tell you, they can't try when my enemy come there. I can't say, God, if they really exist, show yourself, prove yourself. If you don't prove yourself for this case, you don't show yourself. I don't say, in short, where he exists, the whole world. Prove yourself, God. Me and my family will go into prayers and those kind of things. Me were not even 2 days strong for prayer, but I was forced to be in it. I really pray to God. At the end, I realized that God is really wonderful. God is answer, is beautiful. God too much. Because of that, it's all this why all these days I did me down say, yes, God, I thank you for today. I will still pray. Even if I'm 5 minutes, you know the guy they be. So I just want to encourage you guys. Always pray and pray and pray. God is wonderful. God is beautiful. God is the best. Who they spend money for Babalawo, they learn. They be hypocrites. They don't know what they do. You know, like I said before, Babalawo will give you cap. He go collect your head joiner. Don't do that. It's not nice. It's not good. Just try, may you dey face to God. God don't go collect €1 for your hand, but commit yourself to God. Nobody dey perfect, so everybody dey sin, but then God too great, God too much, He too beautiful. He go answer your prayer. That's the way you dey ask for God. God must do it. You know the guy they be. He will do it for you. He will do it for us. So let me go back to what I was trying to say. I mean, like I said, I've passed through a lot, even what I passed through of recent, which is just 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago. But God just rescued me and helped me. I so much thank God for what He has been doing for me. You know, God is really wonderful. Yes, because of that, I want to play one music at the background right now. I don't know whether the music will come safe. You understand? I pray when the music came on him, but I say don't call the music. So God, so although I Igbo music, but I'm not going to understand that. Everybody like, I mean, I've been, but I like the music. But God too much. You understand? So let me just hit at the nail. I mean, my point, because I want to just end the live stream right now. Sorry for the too much music, but let me know it. So what actually I want to say is this. I came across something, I stumbled across something on social media. They ask this question. They say, what did they make man? What did they freak man for man to stay with one woman? For me, I comment already for them, but I want to answer her in live video. I want to answer her for my live video. Get why? That thing, they very, as in, now good question for adults. Now good question for people they under in marriage or in relationship. You understand? So let me just quickly say before I will end my live stream, because like this time I'm always busy till my kids are sleeping. Even if they sleep, say me to come tired, I would like to relax. So you know, easy, carry them go school, bring them back, cook and clean the house. Now they be now. So my brothers and my sister, I greet you now. May God give us strength. So what I want to talk be saying, you are believing God. I don't get fine voice, so man, I'm not bother. But everywhere good. So now, so it can't be that question why it's up. Now be say they come ask. They say, what did they make man they stay with woman? What did they make man they, what did they freak man to stay with one woman? Me, I'm not supposed to comment on here, but because say maybe at the moment people know just the way they watch. While I run, me person not talk with you, want talk. For me, this is my own view. Now, please comment on it later. What did they make man, woman? Man, they stay with woman. What did they make man? They stick on woman. Even if they quarrel themselves, say they separate, they even divorce, or they even go meet another woman. Oh, wait, yeah, where I hate all that party, but you move the apple now. If peace go up front, it will still come back to the owner again. You understand that parable? So this is the meaning of what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say, as for me, my own view of this issue, as in what did they make man, what did they freak man to stay with woman? I know say yes, many men, a guy like deal, I don't want to use any insultive words. As they woman body, so they man body, I know that one are clear. You understand? But for me, I will say one particular thing will go make man stick on woman, no matter the situation. Forget say you cook for them, that one join no. Forget say they do this or they do that one. Now so you give her money, so you not give her money. That one fits job, but for me not believe on those things. What you mean believe on? I mean want tell now. So if we deal with man, they deny her sexually. Before you go even ask, you don't even tell her say come. All those kind of things. Don't be lie. Even if the man they with Tina, or they with Joy, they with Osagbe Morwe. Don't be lie. Even if you want the man they call it, for example, now Peter and Doris, now they together. If Peter come out, still go on that place, go meet other people like Joy and the Bobo Tibo. Believe me, my brothers and my sister. For me, I don't know na mind do. Una see comment on own everywhere good. Everybody get your own opinion. Everybody get your own mind do. You understand? My friend, lock that water. Lock it up. Sorry, guys. I maybe you go put up or I can buy you. That one I you play. No say they pay put a Gemini gas. So just quickly conclude of what I was saying, because I have to just get busy with them. For me, what I believe is that one. I believe, man, you wanna go there together. Not be money they make and they stay. Not be anything. If you want flirt, go flirt. the thing wey me know, as for me, everybody dey different. Wetin me know say e go make am stay with you, or e go make am ayo mutia. Sorry guys, ayo mutia. How we boy na a day. Wetin make me believe that one? Now if you know they deny am sexually time, as in sex time, maybe say maybe he need you give am, or even before you go even talk, say you need that, you don't even call am sef. All those things, you know they make man they look outside, you know they make man they dey tree, you know they tree man to go outside. If you even go outside, go run come back. If you even dey outside, they go they think of you, but they say that my woman, oh, that my woman. You understand? Even if una quarrel, you go they say sorry guys, I just the day small busy somehow. You get my baby to wait for ground. I need to just clean her up. You understand me? So I mean, I know they do the live video sometimes. I they do one maybe if they don't sleep. And if they don't sleep, people not much they will go listen. Although they will definitely listen the next day, sha. So to just end the live stream right now. For me, I don't believe in maybe money, this one, that one. Fine, respect, join. Yeah, not remove that one. Respect, join. But inside that respect, now, so if you they always not they deny am, you know they deny your man sexually. Before you go even ask, you don't give am. If even they say maybe na so, you go even say yeah. Before you go even ask, you don't give am. Even if you not even have sometimes self, you just say very less busy, and you say maybe you not go work that day, or maybe the way it is, even if you come for work, all those things don't sit, you know they tired like that. The way it is, now you go even say okay, come on, all those kind of things. So me I don't know for other people, so I just want to answer some kind of freaky question. Sorry guys for this, I don't want to just like I know anybody or say anything, any thing, but I'm just trying to say my mind because it is what I understand or it is what I know, So men, what makes them to really stay with you, to really stay with ladies, is not because you are too fine, too beautiful, too good, too respectful, though that one join, but the main thing, the main point, the main key. Now if they deny access, for me, now that one me understand. Other people they different. Other people get their own opinion. For me, I believe if they deny sex, anywhere you go, anywhere you go, even if you go with another woman, even if woman camp out for us for 1 month, don't be lie. If they do that woman, they call your name. If they think or that woman they vex for round, then they quarrel 1 or 2 things, you go see they call your name. The woman they say, "Bo no about him, why am bo not be anything," because they deny sex. Before go even ask for sex, you don't even they say, "Oh yeah, come do." All those kind of things. Now I believe, gonna question, if you check social media, I'll see the question. You get whether I'm damn 9 people, I don't know how they didn't escape me for screenshots and just now. But I just question a phone, this weekend. For me, and my own point be that one. You understand? Other people should get their own view, their own personal life. And this one be the correct one. For my own way. What me your believe for me and what believe in him? All those things or you le baba or legi or no diowa or after of ya again boy. I will not mure. Best una kwene joke. Anything or maybe or so any self we joy any was jenny or go or soon when dorisi with dorisio or dorisi are na or yazen amun anywhere cook back again. They deny you of that thing. Now you make they think of you. So for me that is the answer, because it's in social media. They ask a question, what freak a man to stay with one woman? For me, I would say, if you did not deny the man sexually, don't deny the man. You always give him when he needs it. Even before he needs it, you have even, let him be in the mood. He won't forget you. No matter where you go, no matter who he will go and flex with, he will come back to you and be begging. He will even be confessing to you, say, "Oh, sorry, my woman or my wife or my girlfriend Doris. Sorry, I go meet Joy yesterday. Oh, not your verse. Just forgive me now. I'm not gonna go again. I confess. as it is on top of you, not be lie. It's not sham, not be medicine, not be sham. But for me, like I said before, everybody believe in different things. For me, I believe in that one. What you know, they make mad. They no see some mess. It be he go to where they misbehave. Even if they give them every day, they feel tired by you. Does he go they find another one? Those kind of things, you know. Now they talk so say even if they go for another one, I'm saying good. I know the encouragement where they flex, where they find another woman. Even if they go for another woman, my own point is this: that they come no say I mention one word just now. You and you move their boy now in day. They will come back to you again. They go still say yes. Now you be my love. Now you be my wife. Now you be my honey. Where everybody know. All those are good they do. And you're going to flex for nothing. Now you be the main one. For that reason, I'm coming back home to you. And if I come, I will tell you everything. Because they will tell you who he flex with. Not be lie. Yes. Me, I don't date man for some time ago before I can't get my children, my ass. If he go mistake, go flex, he go still come meet me because they tell me. Because they describe the person, make who's I go they say now wife. Don't they tell me all those kinds? I be woman. I don't like her. Don't they tell me? Because they forget. I know say you don't like her, but all women not be the same. This and this, blah blah blah. You know, many talk like that. I say where that one and that one because say why me and you know come there now the tribe. And here not be where I from come. The family come say my family say no, the family say no. So come like say the two family come together. It come as if they can't just decide say they don't want the two. You know all those kind of things. So all those things I can't break the relationship. All those kind of things. But I will still tell you people more about many things. But this is just tip 1. I have more than 10 tips of stories that I have to share with you guys. This is just one about my marital or my marriage, my ex before. I have even more about 10 type of different things that I will share with you guys. But I want you guys to please share my video, like the video, and invite more people to come and be watching so that I will not be speaking to one person. I mean, it's not. Did it really make sense speaking with one person or speaking with nobody? You understand? For me, I have no problem. To me, it's fun. But if I want to tell you guys about my life story, I don't have to just be saying it without nobody. I mean, you understand me? So thank you, guys. It's just a short message that I have to say right now because I really want to answer this question. I already commented there, but I just want to answer it publicly like this on live because they asked the question. What makes a man to stay with a woman? I mean, what freak a man to stay with a woman? For me, I would say it's not just money. She's too fine, this and this. Oh, they call in my phone. Oh. Yes, guys, I have to end the live stream right now. We'll talk again next time or in the evening. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. So, I've answered the question already. For me, I believe it's not because of anything that makes a man to stay with a woman. For me, I believe if you know they deny that, you must they come. Even if you go miss woman, you go still come back. Yeah, you move up with 90. Hey, live there. So bye bye guys. Thank you and share the video. Like this video. My kids is all over me. Yes, so yeah, my they never sleep. So anyhow, thank you. Bye.